Hello friend, welcome to Reza Webs. Today I will show how to create or how to clone a table with existing data. So let's go to MS SQL management. This is MS SQL Management Studio. So this is my OD2 food DB. So click on new query. We just select a restaurant table, select star from restaurant. Here we can see the three records for 1, 2 and 4 with ID. So we insert this value in a new copy the table column and insert this 3 value to our new table. So this is we can define the new table as restaurant new into. So this is not exist in our OD2 food DB. In the table list we can see these tables. So let's go. I just execute this script by using execute button. 3 rows affected. Here the tables, refresh this, refresh. Here we can see the new table restaurant. Wow, we can select star from. The 3 records are copied to new table restaurant new. Okay, thank you.